How to set up Disney Plus profile pin. First of all, go ahead and open your favorite choice of browser or simply open the Disney Plus application on your device. However, Disney Plus is not yet available within my region, so I cannot access the official site. But if you are able to, all you have to do is simply log into your account using your credentials. From there, tap on the profile icon or your main profile icon on the bottom. From there, click or tap the edit profile option, then select the specific profile you want to lock with a pin. Then scroll down to the parental controls section of the setting menu, then tap profile pin option, enter your main account password when prompted to verify that you are the account owner, then create and save your pin. That is how you can create a pin, guys. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.